right? So this is your point x30, right? And you know point x30 will have this distance is going to be the same, right? This distance that I'm going to draw now is the same, right? From 0, right? From 0, and then the triangle, you know what? I don't want to confuse you guys, right? It'll be up here, right? So it's moving towards the what? The right-hand side, right? So that's why it's going to be what? Positive, okay? So now, we found it already. Not so difficult, is it? Okay? Straightforward, simple, okay? So the next thing now is we are going to construct what? Mohr circle. We're going to construct element now, okay? So next we're going to construct our element, right? So we're going to construct our element now. So we're going to draw our element. So, sorry, we're going to draw our axis first. So this is the normal stress. Sorry, this is x-axis, right? This is y-axis. Okay. So now the element rotate clockwise by 30 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to eyeball this 30 degrees. Okay, 45 clockwise rotation 30. Okay. So this is my element rotating clockwise 30 degrees. Okay. So with that, I construct the other line. Hey. Right? That's our 30. Then we're going to sketch our element. Okay, we're going to sketch our element.
Eugene?
Yes.
So for the element, for x and y, are they always going to be at right angle, like 90 degrees, or can that?
Yeah, no. We also always have to be 90 degrees.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So we are going to draw now. This will be equal to your y. Right? This will always be equal to your x. Okay. Now coming back to here. Now we are again going from the element, from Mohr circle, we are going to the element, but now we have something extra. This something extra is we have to construct our shear stress. Before that, we don't need to construct our shear stress is because we are at the what? Principal plane. Now we are no more at the principal plane. At 30 degrees clockwise orientation is no more at the principal plane, right? So we are going to have shear. So normal stress is straightforward. So let's look at normal stress, okay? Right. So you have y, right, to y30. So we calculate our y30, right? So our y30 that we calculate is in compression, right? We calculate is equal to minus 9.509. So we know that this is going to be compression. Minus 9.509 megapascal, right? Compression. And then you know the other side will be in tension, right? Sorry, the other side will also be in compression. Okay, so the other side is in compression. So this is equal to minus 0.491 megapascal. Right? Right. Now the thing we have to be very, very careful is the shear. We know the shear is 37.811. But you don't know whether is it positive shear or negative shear yet. Okay, now watch this. Focus. Focus for 30 more seconds. If you look at Y30, the element rotation, the shear stress rotation is clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anyone? If you look at Y30.
Clockwise.
Clockwise, right? You just say clockwise, okay? So if this is my Y30, right? We know that this line is my Y30. How to make this go, the shear go clockwise to generate a clockwise for the element? Should it be doing this direction? Okay. Should it be in the pink direction or should it be in the black direction? Anyone? I repeat again, the element have to rotate clockwise.
Pink.
So is it pink?
Pink.
Okay. So this is the right answer. Okay. So this is the right answer. It has to go what? Clockwise. Now let's look at X30 then. Okay. Let's look at X30. Right. So this is our X30. So if you look at our X30 now, right? So this is our X30 point. Yes or no? Right. And then our element is rotating, the rotation of the shear is clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Counterclockwise.
Anti-clockwise. So when that's the case, you know that the shear will be going this way. So over here, you can see now this is positive shear. So shear XY is equal to shear YX. So it's positive shear of 37 is equal to 37.811 megapascal. So now you are able to do the Mohr circle from the Mohr circle, right? We bring it back into what? Into the element, and we also consider the what? We also consider the shear. Okay. So now this is 2D Mohr circle. Okay. This is the most you need to know on 2D Mohr circle. I'm going to show you the textbook. Okay, I'm going to show you the textbook. Bear with me, okay? So I'm going to share my desktop with you. Okay, so now you guys are seeing my desktop now. Okay, so I'm going into the textbook. Okay, not this one. This is all the solution manual. Again, solution manual. You all can find a solution manual from internet. You all know that, yes? So let's look at okay. This is without using, okay, you see all this equation down here, right? This is just using those equation which you have not a clue where you are on Mohr circle, okay? So if you want to apply this equation, okay, be my guest, have fun. I will tell you don't bother, okay? Just apply Mohr circle like what I've taught down here. This is what we have just learned. You don't need to remember equation 7.14. You don't need to remember all this. Okay, there's nothing to remember. You don't need to remember equation 7.15, 7.16. No. All you need to do is just what? What do you need to remember? All you need to do is just remember the rules of the circle and some high school math. Am I right? Did I do math that's more complicated than last week? You did not learn any of this in 3MA3 at all. It's all in your college days and high school. There you go. Okay.
I don't remember my high school math.
Yeah. Okay. So that's all you need to know. Okay. So for 2D Mohr circle, right? Good. Go for a 10 minutes break. Okay. 10 minutes. I repeat again. We come back. We're going to do 3D Mohr circle. Okay. Go for your break now. Thank you.